It's the fun of hiking. Rustling leaves.
Will's excited by a rock.
He's what?
He's excited.
Will, where are you going? I'm going down to pee on the other side of this rock. Oh, he's going up on the rock.
We should have brought water or something.
Or something.
Last time we got seltzers or something.
We did. Are you thirsty?
Yeah.
All right, we can stop and get something. We should go to Stop and Shop anyway. We're down here. And get some milk, although I want to wait until the power comes back on so my milk isn't going to go bad.
Okay.
I wonder if Stop and Shop is open. They had their problems with their air conditioning vent unit, something.
He's vibing. It's the wild Will to its natural habitat. I'm back.
That's nice. Did you have fun?
Huh?
Did you have fun?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What'd you find?
Have a big rock.
You did?
Yeah.
Nice.
18. I'm still good.